Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan, a content creator and freelancer. If you start your freelancing journey doing data entry, lead generation, virtual assistant job, I think this video gonna help you a lot. And if you are watching my channel, you will see lots of playlist out there. Like the playlist, you will find Fiverr data entry jobs, lead generation jobs, make money online. So you will get 10 videos there. So if you start your journey, so please watch this video, and this video gonna help you to start and find out the job and marketplace. It's a completely free tutorials and a step-by-step tutorials, so you should check this out. Okay, and if you love this video and if you think this video gonna help you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment below if you have any requested video. So in this video I will show you a data entry and lead generation live project where you can understand the requirements, and I will show you the step-by-step tutorials how you can do this job very easily. If you are a student and if you have a job and if you want to start your side hustle like a part-time job, or if you are a single mom or if you are a housewife, so freelancing for you. So it's a great side hustle and it's a great business. So if you think it's your business, so you can grow really fast. I have been freelancing last 2 years, and this is my Fiverr account. Here you can see I have completed 381 orders and I have earned 9,443.64 cents, and the average selling price was 33.44. Okay, so here you can see the amount, this earning from a single account. Here you can see the ratings. I got 185 all ratings and 5 other ratings. So this is not a show up, okay, it's a real money. Okay, so you can earn this kind of amount, so don't waste your time, just invest your time, and I hope you're gonna learn and earn. Okay, so let's jump into our main topic. Okay, so I am right now my Upwork account. Here you can see, and this is the job title. Here you can see data mining oblique lead generation, need email list to owners of spray foam insulation companies in USA. Okay, so this is the one sentence, and I hope you can understand the requirements. So here you can see the total requirements. So you have to understand first the job requirements. Okay, if you don't understand, so you can't complete this job properly. You should spend good time to read all the requirements. So I will help you to understand the requirements. So let's check their price. It's a fixed price, $100, and here you can see already hires. That's mean it's a legal work, it's a legal job, and buyer already hired someone else. So what is the criteria and what is the qualification? Here you can see the industry spray foam insulation business in the USA. That's mean we have to find the spray foam insulation business, and the criteria is 5 to 50 employees on LinkedIn. That's mean the business, they must have 5 to 50 employees on LinkedIn. And job title, that's mean the buyer need owner, co-owner, founder, CEO, managing director, co-founder, and email bounce rate must be under 1%. That's mean you have to provide the valid email address, like the verified email address. If you read this first sentence, here you can see information, names, personal email address, a LinkedIn, company URL, website, very clear. And how many leads you have to gather or collect, maybe 1,000 business leads, and the buyer will pay you for 100 USD per 1,000 leads. We need up to 4,000 leads a month. That means so you can earn up to 400 per month later on. Okay, so this is a good project, and I think it's a ongoing project. So you can if you perfectly work with this buyer and you can perfectly send some sample, here you can see the you must send 5 leads as a free trial. Okay, so if you can hired by this buyer, maybe you can earn per month $400 from this buyer. It's a single work. And let's say if you have this kind of buyer, like 5 buyers or 6 buyers, so how many you can earn? So it's depend on you, it's depend on your time and your experience, and how many you can manage this project. So you can scale up your business as much as you can handle this project. So that's how it's called the freelancing business. It's not a single hand work. You must hire some different freelancers to do this job so that you can get more and more job. That's called business cycle. So how you can do this project? So first of all, we have to create a Google spreadsheet. So let's give a name like the spray insulation. Okay, so this title just copy and paste here. You should give a good name. Okay, it's a project. Okay, so this is the column and row, so we must need the name. So just fill the names like first name or last name, first name and the last name. And the third one is email address, list LinkedIn and the website URL. Okay, and also the company URL and also company LinkedIn, and this LinkedIn should be the person LinkedIn, so make it person LinkedIn. So these are the information we have to find and input here. So let's find the information. So our targeted industry is spray foam insulation companies in USA. So this is a string, search string, so we can search it here and Google. So we have multiple sources where you can search, like directly LinkedIn or direct the Google. Okay, so spray foam insulation companies in LinkedIn, press enter and you will see the results. Okay, this is the Google map results. So different ways you can collect the information. The number one is you can first go to the Google Maps and find the company and search their LinkedIn and grab their person, that's mean top decision maker. Okay, spray foam insulation companies, no, so just we can remove the company's name here, and owner, we can type owner and also the LinkedIn, because of we have to find the owner LinkedIn, and if you can catch the owner, we can also catch the company. That's why that's the direct way we can find the owner LinkedIn in California, USA. Just press enter and you will see the short list, very short list, and you will see the 54 results. Sometimes you will get higher results because of it's a single location like the states California. Okay, if you can find 44 results from this search, so we have another ways, like we have, so we can search also co-owner, founder, CEO, managing director, co-founder, only for this. And also we can search by city name, that's another way of this owner. Okay, how we can get the email address? We can use different Chrome extension, like I have get prospect. Here you can see, click on the get prospect, and if you have any email address, okay, and click on the save and show the email address. Okay, so if you have any valid email address and verified, so it must be show up here. Here you can see the validating email address. Copy, and so our task is just copy and paste, just collect their information, first name, last name, email address, person LinkedIn, company LinkedIn and website. We have already the other information as well, but we are looking for the valid email address, which is really important because it should be under 1% email bounce rate. Okay, that's really important. So always check all the tools as much as you can, and if you don't get, so just go to next and check the LinkedIn and other information as well. I hope you can understand the process, and this is how we have to collect the information. Okay, and I've already discussed many ways, so if you understand this, I hope it's gonna help you a lot. And it's a really genuine and legal way you can make money online doing freelancing job, data entry, data mining, lead generation. It's $100. Okay, the opportunity is worldwide, and wherever you are, if you have a internet connection or laptop and spend some good time, you can make it as a business. Okay, so if you love this content, please subscribe my channel. I will come back with another video and lots of money making content, like how you can make your first 1000. So thanks all of you who are watching this video and who love this content. So stay tuned, have a good day, tata, bye bye.